Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Kettlebell Turkish Getup. This will be a Kettlebell Turkish Getup tutorial, and these are easy workout instructions for beginners. If you're like me and you're a beginner to working out with a kettlebell, this is the video for you. I'm a beginner as well. I learned how to do this and I want to share what I learned with you, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by lying down on the ground, and we're going to have our kettlebell to the side, okay? Now you can start off with this either way, but I'm going to try and do this with the kettlebell facing you so you can sort of see what it looks like, okay? So as you can see right here, let me just get rid of my phone over there, okay? We're going to start like this, lying on our side. The kettlebell is going to be here. Now what we're going to do, let me get myself fully on the camera frame here, make sure I have enough space. What we're going to do, take the kettlebell, you're going to get an overhand grip like this, and you're going to lift it onto your chest with both hands like this. You're going to end up on your back, like that, okay? At this point, both of your feet are going to be flat on the ground, both of your legs are going to be flat on the ground, okay? What you're going to do, take your right knee and raise it up like this on about a 90-degree angle. Then you want to take your right hand and go straight in the air. Obviously, you can reverse this with the left as well. At this point, what we're going to do, get our left hand, which is the opposite hand. Make sure you have a firm grip of that kettlebell because remember, it's right over here. Get our left hand, place it like this, not beside you, not all the way up here. You want a roughly a 45-degree angle. And what we're going to do now is we're going to use our pressure from our left hand and our right foot, our right heel, to work our way up. So from here, what we're going to do, we're going to use a little bit of our abs, okay, but more our right heel and our left hand. We're going to work our way up like this, okay? And I'm resting on my left elbow at this point, and then I'm going to use my left elbow and I'm going to swing my left leg underneath my body, like that, onto my left knee. Keep that kettlebell nicely in the air, straight up like this, and then use your right leg to go straight up into the air like that. That's your Turkish Getup. To reverse it, to go down, we're going to do the opposite. At this point, we're going to go down on the left knee, like this, okay? I'm going to go and I'm going to work my way onto my left elbow again, like this, my left hand and my left elbow like this, back to the way we were before, back like this, onto our back, okay? At this point, I can bring the kettlebell down, hold it with both hands, slightly above my chest, like this, okay? Feet, legs flat on the ground, come to the side like that, and then curl up again. And we're back to the starting position. So really quickly, just to recap, to show you a little bit faster, grab your kettlebell on your chest like this, right leg in the air on a 45-degree angle, the same, obviously, leg as the kettlebell, the side you're holding the kettlebell in, straight in the air, left hand like this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go onto our left elbow, bring our left leg underneath us, straight up, into the air like that, and then reverse it back down, just like this. Obviously, you're going to be, you could do it a little bit faster, completely up to you. That's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.